Have you ever wondered how it's possible to mirror an entire WhatsApp database using nothing but a 10-digit phone number? Most people think you need expensive hardware or advanced coding skills to clone an account, but the reality is far more subtle and honestly, a lot more terrifying. In the next few minutes, I am going to pull back the curtain on the exact methodology used to bridge the gap between a target number and a cloned interface. This isn't about basic tricks you've seen before. This is about understanding the structural vulnerability of mobile verification. Before we dive into the technical breakdown of how these packets are intercepted and mirrored, I must state that this video is for educational purposes only. We do not advise anyone to use the information in this video to infiltrate someone's privacy or engage in any unauthorized activity. Stay ethical and use this knowledge to protect yourself, not to harm others. If you need more resources and help with the topics discussed today, make sure you check the pinned comment or the video description for more details right now. Now, before we get into the core process, I want to ask you a serious question. Do you think physical access to a phone is actually necessary for security in 2026, or is the cloud making us all sitting ducks? Drop your answer in the comments below because I'm replying to the most interesting theories today. The concept of cloning a WhatsApp account via the number relies on a principle called signal redirection. When you enter a number into a fresh instance of the app, a verification request is triggered. Most users wait for an SMS, but professional security auditors look at the SS7 protocol. This is the backbone of global telecommunications. By understanding how the network routes these signals, one can theoretically observe the handshake between the server and the device. If you find this insight into network architecture fascinating, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Fastest Fix for more deep dives into the world of mobile security. Sharing this video also helps spread awareness about how these vulnerabilities exist. When we talk about cloning, we aren't just talking about a copy, we are talking about a synchronized state. Imagine a scenario where the data packets containing the encryption keys are mirrored in real time. To achieve this, the number serves as the primary pointer. The system needs to believe that the secondary device is the legitimate recipient of the session token. We see this often in desktop environments, but doing it via the cellular network requires a deep understanding of how IMSI, catchers, and virtualized environments interact. Are you currently using two-factor authentication on your primary accounts, or do you find it too annoying to set up? Let me know in the comments, because your security might depend on that one choice. Now, moving into the architectural phase of the cloning strategy, we have to look at the way the application handles session persistence. When a number is cloned, the server is essentially being told that the user has migrated to a new hardware ID. The trick isn't in the hacking of the app itself, but in the manipulation of the identity parameters. This involves spoofing the device metadata so that it matches the original user's profile. This layer of the strategy is what keeps the connection alive, without triggering a logout on the original device. It is a delicate balance of timing and network spoofing. If you've made it this far, you're clearly serious about understanding how the digital world works. Don't forget to subscribe to Fastest Fix and turn on that bell icon so you never miss a technical breakdown. We are constantly analyzing the newest trends in mobile architecture, and you don't want to be left behind. The final piece of the puzzle involves the synchronization of the message database. Once the session is established through the number point redirection, the backend begins to fetch the historical data. This is where the viewer often gets confused. They think they need to steal messages, but the system is designed to restore them. By convincing the cloud that the secondary device is the owner of the number, the cloud willingly hands over the archives. It is a process of social engineering the server rather than the person. This methodology is used by high-level security firms to test the integrity of corporate communications. By seeing how easy it is to initiate a restore via a redirected number, companies can better prepare their defenses. We have covered a lot of ground on the theory of network mirroring and session hijacking. Remember, the key to staying safe is knowing how the doors can be opened. If you haven't yet, share this video with a friend who is obsessed with tech security. Always check that pinned comment for those extra resources I mentioned earlier. Thank you for watching Fastest Fix. Stay curious and stay secure.